of Snake hotels. Hotels na do Kwame and Son. Na I will say me the my categorizes are the way three sections. One potential money laundering from Brian Champon. I think say as a minister of state, maybe I Brian Champon in the secret fear or they total to hotels. No, I was say Ghanaians should be interested because as a minister of state, your article be in parliament. He's a member of parliament as well. It doesn't allow MPs to engage in profitable business. And no, Emra na as a member of parliament and Samra na echechere no. Etosu mi no. Yaw Osafoma Fuba boy Nancy ya no mo ye no Director General of SNIT meboa. So if omo na Free Eastern region. Entina me bisa me ho say den na ye papa April ya na ye na Director General. Na April May was so the hotel no edema Brian Champon.
No.
Can we therefore
let's get
no
it
meba.
Right. According to SNIT almost statement, the process started way back
2018. Enra me hu ye. Enra SNIT response me hu bibia.
And the release
and
the hotel was given out to Brian 2023. But what I said?
2023.
Yeah, exactly.
And I'll bring in politics. We are here to speak politics. And Brian Echamo has that opportunity because of politics into them eba. I have a sense of a 2023. But I will cross check that one because me say process of giving him that property has not been concluded, Kofi.
Yeah.
That one I am aware.
It's almost 23rd March 2022 and almost called the competitive bidding now. Out of the 9 companies submitting proposal buyer, they agreed that this Rock City Hotel won the bidding. And that is it. The case has even somebody has petitioned.
And the process the process has not been completed.
Okay.
And me no can say no. It was in May and no more try to make complete a process And the bisa question say immediately after he was given the appointment as Director General had to fast track the completion of this entire process. 3, the integrity of a Royal City Hotel. Me no can say here me come website say me promo financial statement because say obi o potential so obe turning around a certain hotel. Now I say a back on track records me boy. For the first while acquire a certain hotel like Royal City Hotel doesn't mean that you have the potential to also turn around other hotels. Now Royal City Hotel or shall see that be. So the only way Brian Champo's Hotel.
It's not is it Royal City?
City. Sorry, Rock City. Sorry, Rock City Hotel. Our financial statement suggests financial statement of Rock City suggests that even Rock City is making losses. Now,
you mean that?
Yes.
I see.
Yes, Rock City is even making losses per their financial statement. And until no, publish our financial statement. Na check our balance sheet. Our assets and liabilities, and let us see whether they are making profit or not. Now, two, meba kasa. O kasa mambem o jadi o ye no. Na unye kasa no snake your body bia Kofi. I was see a church Ghana from house need to plate. Obeka I say your mama ba abem no. Na I ask Corey Mampong, hostels na on affordable housing project no. O man penyin your mama ye buy no. Ye ne snake for tena say snake. Ye sika na ye de ye contributions aye snake etiti no. They should use part of that contribution to complete ASR affordable housing projects no. And that's all quite affordable housing project. Kofi a snit and the complete this project now. Or more tonwa and now me no can say omunya son faso. Labadi Beach Hotel na as I see the man air can once say they are making profit now. It's been very good no. there was a company called a Legacy Group. Snit handed over a Labadi Beach Hotel when Labadi Beach Hotel was making losses. To where's our Legacy Group? Our Legacy Group, you're moving South Africa. But if you see Ghana, baby, you know, we need more investors from outside so that we can have injection of fresh capital into the economy. Sabi, enye sika ye nim the source of funding. Obeka said you are going to go bank no mugu no. Said you are going to go bank no mugu ni said the source of funding not the established in the bank no. The source of funding was in court. And unti said you are going to go bank ye gu no. Oh my mu ha say. And unti na nanu ya Chief Justice omodini ba hai why wakwa reconstitute judges for motion asem so no so abetena asem so bi no because omo say some prosecute this case way am abaye ndi nkunima they have to pay a judgment debt to that bank. So the intermakers says the source of funding is very critical here. Brian a champion source of funding now or the baby yes need hotels no anything free. Meanwhile, no, this Legacy Group, make one say because just Google them. They were given the contract to manage all these three hotels. Promo track record no, manage Labadi Beach Hotel. Attending Labadi Beach Hotel around, and don't call Labadi Beach Hotel is one of the most beautiful hotels that we have in this country. Yeah, me saying before I didn't know as a Legacy Group. Contracts no this 3 hotels no and this information I'm sharing with you is coming from is it Mensa Thompson. He shared it with us this morning, who is a former director general at SNIT. So there was a company that was supposed to manage all these companies and I'm about my baby say the Rock City I compare Legacy Group more track records on managing hotels are turning them around. The Legacy Group has the potential of turning around these 3 groups. Then I am the pass TUC. Your boss, Ekasai, say they are against the sale of the 60% shares of Snitch shares and what's our hotels. Now, almost as a group, when they were not aware of negotiations, of course, would be an coffee. They were not aware. Now, how do we say, Kofi? How understandable is this? Because there is a board. Board need to use representative or board no so. Until then, I'm with me here competitive bidding since 2018. Now a whole TUC director on your way. He has to take him to address the press to state his position on the matter. And Penifo Brakasa said there's a conflict of interest somewhere. Maybe say there's a potential money laundering because say a baby a year Benny Champon as a minister of state yeshena ketria oje any juma aband their shares as a member of parliament and minister of agriculture. Want to mean say scanning for acquire Rock City Hotel since Sanjuman. He cannot get that money.
Can we ask when did he acquire Rock City? Ebiana was Sierra and Sana. Obey minister. So let's look at when was Rock City Hotel, was built, and answer when did Brian Achampong own this? Ebanisa, you will help him.
Yes, exactly.
Because Oka say own to me, Ebiano or the Sika and son obey minister.
And the Oka say na
what is
acquire property and son obey minister.
I want to assume that. I'm not stating that for a fact.
And the minister make actually and say he acquired that property after he became a minister of state.
Oh, okay.
And say if I'm calling for an investigation into his source of funding as a minister of state, because maybe them who so you hotel industry as a money pondering Ponzi scheme. That's how I see it. Because from my finance background, people do a lot of this money laundering through so many ways. And the moment he's able to acquire this money, this 60% shares of Snitch hotels, what it means is that we're legalizing whatever money that he has. So we will call on the criminal investigation body to invite Brian Champ on the source of fund, because by God's grace, we have the right to information bill passed as our RTI bill. It allows people to ask certain questions about public figures. And this is a public figure without being public interest. You know public interest in whatever Brian Champon does. Baby, you sika free. Baby, you didn't sika baby. We are interested because he's a public figure. He's a member of parliament. He's a politically exposed person. And that is why some of us are even speaking against NIB boss and say omo appointing no. Because yeah, say we are politically exposed person, you know. That position I won't put no. It will even contradict whatever you are saying.
Thank you very much. I have the order from the production team to end the show.